What would you recommend that people consider on a trip like that, where you have to work, you have to be up, you have to be sharp, you have to be aware and really present?
Step one would be jet lag. So if you've experienced jet lag, you know it can be absolutely debilitating. Bad enough if you save up your whole life to go to the European vacation and you get there and you're sick and jet lag, that's not good. One of the biggest things you need to realize, or our folks need to realize, is it's hydration number one. Yeah, water, water, water. It's not just slogging down water. So when you get on a plane, you got to realize that that is incredibly dehydrating on that airplane. If you took a washcloth, wet washcloth, put it on the plane, hour and 15 minutes later, it's dry. It's just sucking water out of you. So one of the things that I'm known for is when you get a bottle of water at the airport, once you get through security, put in about a tablespoon of chia seeds, C-H-I-A, chia seeds.
Mm-hmm.
And those things get in there, they kind of grow, and it takes about 20 minutes or so. But what those things do, it gives you, yes, some omega-3s and some other goodies, but what it does is it converts that water into something called structured water. That's what's inside the cell. That's what hydrates you. So if you'll drink that on the plane, you're looking at about 8 ounces per hour of flight. Drinking that water throughout your flight. So before you get on the plane, when you land.
How much chia seed should you put in there?
So you're looking at about a tablespoon for a typical bottle of water. For some people,
and you drink them right down with the water, or do they kind of sediment at the bottom?
No, they get in there and they swell up. It just helps with hydration. So that is the number one thing with jet lag is hydration. And I've got about 10 of them, but I'm going to talk about the biggest ones.